Are your Sidra Bank coins just sitting there, or are you actually able to interact with them safely? If you're confused about the claiming process, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you get a clearer step-by-step roadmap, and the final tip is a game changer for security. Of course, in 2026, digital assets can still feel confusing. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about claiming your Sidra Bank coins safely, securely, and correctly. And yes, we also include important disclaimers about liquidity. First, let's clarify this. Sidra Bank has a process for network interaction, sometimes called claiming. But here is the key. As of 2026, SDA is not listed on major exchanges and is not freely tradable yet. So when you claim, you're actually updating your network balance on their platform. This does not guarantee market liquidity or real money conversion at this stage. Take note of that. So before clicking anything, you need a few essentials. A compatible crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet that supports the Sidra network. Make sure it is set up correctly and you have full access to your private keys. Never share them. Any official credentials or referral code Sidra Bank provides, always confirm this through official channels. Avoid random links or unofficial instructions because scams are common. Here is how to safely interact with Sidra Bank. Go to the official site. Type the URL directly in your browser. Only use the official domain. Connect your wallet. Click Connect Wallet and authorize safely through your wallet app. Enter claim details, codes, ID verification, or network prompt as required. Initiate the process. Click Claim or similar. Confirm the transaction. Your wallet may ask for a small network fee. Make sure you have enough native crypto for the gas fee. Once complete, your network balance should update. Remember, this does not mean the coins are tradable on exchanges yet. Look at the common issues you may face. Gas fees. Transaction fails if fees are too low or network congested. Adjust gas limit in your wallet settings. Wrong wallet connection is another problem. Double check the wallet address matches your official Sidra account. Disconnect and reconnect if needed. Errors or delays. Only rely on official Sidra Bank support. Avoid unofficial groups or links. They can be scams. Now, the critical step, secure your coins. Never share your private keys or seed phrases, even if someone claims to be Sidra support. Consider moving your balance to a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Think of it like placing your assets in a vault. Extra protection against online threats. That's your complete guide to safely interacting with Sidra Bank coins in 2026. If this helps, hit that like button. It helps more crypto explorers find it. What's the biggest challenge you are facing with digital coins currently? Comment below. I'll read all of them. Up next, we are going to cover staking your network balance safely for potential rewards. Don't miss it. Click here to watch more. See you in the next video.